Hi everyone, my name is Kanja from Hot Point Sarit, and today I'm going to be teaching you on how to use our most amazing, fast-moving blender that we have in the Von categories. It's 1000 watts, which means ideally for anyone who wants to blend juices, this is the best blender to go for. And the fact that it's glass, you're able to blend your hot drinks, soups for those lactating mothers and everyone perfectly well. Fun fact, glass blenders are known to be the best other than the plastic ones because they don't have that aftertaste of plastic. So most clients have complained that they're unable to use this blender for one reason or the other because it usually has a safety lock. You see? It has a safety lock. I don't know if you can be able to see it from here. If you do not lock it properly, then it won't blend. If it doesn't click, it's not going to work. So I'm going to take you through on how to use it with the lock. So since we've already clicked it, let me now put it on top and then we can be able to see how it goes. So another fun fact about this, there's an arrow here. I don't know if you can be able to see it. There's an arrow here and we have the same arrow on this other side. So you have to make sure they align for it to work. If they don't align, then it won't work. Okay? So it's done. We turn it on. There. Easy peasy. Then now you can blend whatever you want to blend. So it has different options, as you can see. It has the crushed if you want to crush your ice, if you want to do your smoothies. Now this, the cleaning part. Whenever you're blending, most of the times it gets stuck at the bottom, right? So if you want to be able to remove the extracts at the bottom, and you don't want to have to remove the whole blend and then do the whole process, you just press this. You press this, then once you press that, it kind of goes back, and then it removes the extract that is there. So the whole essence, as I was saying, for this is to be able to remove anything that you feel has not been blended completely. That's why when we turned it on, you saw it went on, then it stopped, and then it went on again. That's easy. Then once we're done, you remove that. Now it comes with a small grinder. So since the blender is 1000 watts, this one, if you're someone who loves coffee and you don't want to buy a coffee grinder, this one can work. But don't overload it. Apart from the coffee, it also grinds spices, dry spices. You can do your coriander here if you want to do your chili. You can do your ginger if you're someone who does ginger. Now let's put this and give it a go. So you have to make sure as well, it gives you the same ticking sound as the blender. You hear that? Come turn on. It's already on. Then very easy. And it's touch screen. If you're the kind of person who doesn't want to have to press buttons or knobs, you just turn it on. Then just press. Very easy. Give it a go and let us know. Thank you.